Right folks, this looks like the start of the Pilgrims Way. We're in Surrey, a little hamlet called Titsey, and I'm going to head towards Westerham. So I don't know if there's any more of the Pilgrims Way in Surrey, but a lot of the Pilgrims Way through Kent is the North Downs Way, which is you walk it, so I think there's a few more bits of road I could go and find, but a lot of it's, what I haven't done is the North Downs walkway. So anyway, this bit of Pilgrim Way takes me all the way to Westerham, where I'd done a previous Pilgrim's Way run to Chevening. Yes, the little hamlet of Titsey this is, just north of Oxted, Surrey. Oh, gorgeous countryside. Well, we are in the actual North Downs here. Farm coming up on the left is actually called Pilgrims Farm. Oh, that's the trouble with these minor roads. They're so bumpy and full of, I don't know, potholes and grit. Oh, herd of cows over there. Look at that, lovely straight. Herd of cows on the right as well. Beautiful afternoon, even if it is in autumn. Oh, we had a frost this morning, and I decided time to change to my winter gloves. I've got my winter gloves on, and if it gets too cold I've got my heated grips. Right, if you turn right here, that's the Cluckett's Lane service road down there. Better let these cars go through, they're in a hurry. Job of not in a car, I wouldn't get by. That could be the Kent-Surrey border there, I think. Round about here. So once we cross over this crossroads up coming up, I think we were into Kent. No sign saying so. Used to be a paper boy along this bit. Used to be a waterworks here on the left, all overgrown a bit there. Cycle all the way out of Westerham to come and deliver papers along here, coming from the other direction of course. Oh, a bit dark through here. state of the road the other side, God, terrible. Wow, the potholes and ridges on the other side, God. My favourite thing, potholes and ridges in the road. Look at it, it's terrible. Oh, what are we, a third world country? I saw a programme once when they were chipping up plastic bottles to infill potholes, and I thought, crikey, we're not short of plastic. Why doesn't everybody adopt the idea and chop up plastic and fill all the potholes? There's enough, endless supply of plastic, rubbish. You always go down the seaside and get it washed up as well. Right, we're at Betsam's Crossroads now, with the Westerham Hill. Very, very steep hill on the left. Goes to Biggin Hill. Stopped. Going to be here a little while, by the looks of it. Loads coming down the hill now. Cool, whole line of cars. A lot of people must work in Bromley or Biggin Hill. Oh, as soon as it's ready to go, the line of cars the other way. Right, any chance? Now, we can go now. Across we go. Oh, pheasant in the road ahead. Come on, get out of it. God, dear, oh dear. No wonder they get run over. Used to be John's Groom Home up there on the left, nestling in the bottom of the North Downs. Don't know what it is now. Oh, somebody's left a fridge. Oh dear. Oh yes, always the best place to park them. Marder countryside with a white fridge. Yeah, it looks really good. Right, I started me Westerham to Chevening Pilgrims Way just round the corner. Road up to what was Pilgrim's house, John Groom's house. Oh, there's the full screen road what I come up before. What a rough road that is. Oh, here we are back on this road again. Oh, we don't want to double up the videoing. Go on, I'll let this bloke go by. Bales of stuff out in the field still. Oh, I've wrapped it up with something. Yeah, wrapped it up with polythene. Oh, mind the ridges. Right, I'm going to turn right and go down into Braisted. No, I'm not. Road ahead closed. Oh well. Let's lay plans of mice and men. Go right here. We'll go down. Right, that's the Pilgrims Way finished. You'll have to let me know, folks, if you want me to go and find any more Pilgrims Way. Although, on my point of view, it's not the best riding roads, though. You're forever looking out for gravel, and mud, and grooves in the road, potholes. They're pulling over, letting me by. Oh, there's a car behind me. Well, pulling over for me then. Whoa, whoa, oh dear, oh dear. Line of cars building up, look out. Potholes galore, oh dear, oh, look at the state of this road. Oh. Here's the M25, I'm going over. Brace, dude. Oh, it's a job to see the potholes with the sun glinting. Whoa, I can't see a thing. Look out. So daisy, over the hump. Hey, switchback. And another one. Right, so River Dartmouth, we've just gone over. It starts in Westerham. Here we are, main A25, Braced Green.